Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Ipsy Plus unboxing for the month of April. I also got some extra items from the add-ons, so I will show those first, and I also got something with my points I will also show. And sorry if I'm sniffling and everything a lot, my allergies are crazy. They're so bad. Okay, the first thing I got was the Bye Bye Under Eyes. This was an add-on for $3. Just a little tiny concealer. But I have actually tried this, and a little bit does go a long way. Like, all you have to do is just dab, dab, and then it somehow smears everywhere. And then the next add-on that I did was a sugar eyeliner in Blackout. This is what it looks like. Just a simple black eyeliner, and it is very nice and smooth. But I figure I'm going to start buying these every time they have a black eyeliner in the add-ons, because it's $3. So you can't beat a $3 eyeliner. And then the item that I purchased with my points was the Bella Pierre lipstick in the shade Incognito. Incognito. What? Incognito. I don't know. But that is super pretty. You can never have too many nude shades. I'm sure somebody would disagree, but not I. Okay, now on to my original box itself. It's the card. Okay, the first thing is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Brush. Let me take it out of this package. It looks like super pretty. Very soft. Very nice brush. And that retails for $48. Those It Cosmetic brushes are expensive, because I think, was it last month or month before, whenever they had the foundation brush, I got it, and it was also $48 or something like that. And I love it though. Like, I love it. And I never use foundation brushes anymore, but I do now because I really like them. The next thing I got was the Benefit Cosmetics Eyebrow Highlighter. This is what it looks like. And it's just like a little pink, kind of like that stuff I got last month. It's just pink, but up on your eyebrows to highlight it. We'll try it. Okay, the next thing is the Paris Hilton Skincare Pro DNA Dual Action Cleansing Gel. And it actually smells like body wash. Like, it smells really good. Really good. That's what it looks like, and it is just a clear gel. It's actually on there for me trying to look at it earlier, and it kind of has like little glitters in it, like little gold glitter. I don't know if y'all can. Oh, you kind of can. Hang on, I'm trying to get it to focus on there. Here, I'll just put it on my hand. You kind of can't see it as well on my hand, but it's just like clear, and it's got like little gold shimmers in it. It's pretty. Maybe it'll leave some kind of glow on your skin. See, y'all, I'm a freaking hot mess right now. I'm throwing stuff, dropping stuff, sneezing all over the place. It's just not my time of year. Just not. Pushing my hair in my face. The next thing was the Gold Fatten MD Bright Eyes Solution. And is this little bottle. Oh, I didn't say how much this cost. This is $29. And I can't remember if I said how much the little pencil was either. And that is $22. This is $55 for this teeny tiny. Look, I do not have big hands. This is my hand. Like, I kind of have fat fingers, but I don't have big hands. This thing is tiny. Teeny tiny. So, I don't know. $55 for this? That's expensive. But it's just a little lotion. A little lotion is supposed to brighten under your eyes somehow. But it just turns clear. And it doesn't really have a smell either. So, we'll try that out. Even though I don't really have dark circles, I don't guess, under my eyes. And the last thing I got in my Ipsy Plus is the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez. This is what it looks like. And now, y'all, I did not expect to like this. I did not. Because I'm not a colorful person. Anybody that watches my videos knows that. I'm not a colorful person. But I actually really like this palette. And oddly enough, I really like the blue. I don't know. But since they don't really have names, I'm just going to swatch them. That's the mattes. And then the shimmers. Tell me that blue isn't gorgeous. That blue is so pretty. I didn't even give the purple a chance. But those are the colors. And then it comes with two highlights. One of them is just like a basic highlighter, and then the other one is this white highlighter. But it's like holographic, just like the lip gloss that came in my BoxyCharm, which is kind of weird because they both are like white and then have like the pink shift to them. So this is the first one, the normal highlighter, super pretty. And then here's the one that's kind of holographic. I'm gonna put like a bunch that way you can see. I don't know if y'all could tell or not, but it has like a pink shift to it. And I think it's really pretty. Like, I really like this palette, surprisingly. And that palette was worth $35. And the total price of my box without my add-ons was $189, which is a really good price, being that I spent $25 on the box. And actually, they just opened up Ipsy Plus to everyone. So if you want to sign up, it's open for a limited time to sign up for Ipsy Plus to get the May box. So you better hurry up and get it before they close the wait list back on. But there's no wait list or anything for it. You just go sign up for it, and you don't even have to have Ipsy to start with to get it. So I will leave the link below. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this everywhere video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.